Hey, what's going on everybody? Dave back again, and yes, it's another figure review. This time from Macross, we're taking a look at Sheryl Nome. So without further ado, let's get into this. I'll show you everything that comes in the box, and then we'll close out the video. All right, here we are with the front side of the box. We have minimum factory, 1/20th scale, Sheryl Nome, PLAMAX MF-14 Macross Frontier. And this, of course, is from Max Factory and was purchased from Hobby Link Japan. Taking a look at the backside here, I really like the colors that they ended up doing on this. You get two shots on here. You have a regular just out of the box, and then you have a painted version. What all comes in the box? You get 1 baggie, 2 baggies, 3 baggies, 4 baggies, 5 baggies, 6 baggies, 7 baggies, 8 baggies, a decal sheet, and instruction manual. All right, as usual, you get 1 sheet of water slide decals. These are little symbols that are going to go on her. You get 5 sets of eyes, which all seem to be looking in the same direction. You get an instruction manual. Of course, it says Max Factory, Sheryl Nome, basically the same as the box art. As I've shown on all the others, yes, the instructions turn into a fold-out poster. Taking a look inside, you have the runner layout. You have the construction. On the back side over here, you have the makeup, which is where you're going to place all your decals and all your little symbols and everything. First runner that's included is in the lavender color, and these are going to be legs. Second runner that's included, and these are kind of in a hot pink, and these are going to be her shoes, I think sleeves, and part of her clothing. Next runner that comes up is going to be her base, skirt, and another piece of her clothing. This looks to be her top. Yep, I see boobies. Next runner up, this is going to be in a clear lavender, and this is going to be, it looks like a bow, maybe with some hair, a little bow over here, and part of her dress. Next runner, this is going to be in a soft pink, and this is going to be a part of her dress. Next runner up, this is going to be in a cream color, and this is to be her hair. And I think some little accessories over here, but looks to be primarily all her hair. Next runner up is going to be all the flesh colored parts. So you have her cleavage, you have her belly section, you have her thigh, looks like, hands, and face. And last runner up, this is going to be in a hot pink again, and this is going to be parts, looks like bow, pantsuit, belt, and a part of her outfit. So in closing, you get 8 runners, 1 decal sheet, and an instruction manual / poster. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this video and this series that I've been doing. I want to thank you guys for your support. And if you like this video and you want to see more, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace.